What is social media marketing? Refers to the process of gaining traffic through social media sites. Let's look at social media sites by closer. YouTube, more than 2 billion views daily. Facebook, more than 936 million active users per day. Instagram, 70 million new photos per day. Twitter, 500 million tweets per day. A consumers and audiences to business that share the same needs, wants, and values. Companies can keep in touch with individual followers. This personal interaction can instill a feeling of loyalty into followers and potential customers. You can attract attention to the brand product. Business retailers have seen 133% increases in their revenues from social media marketing. Stop waiting and contact Magic Logix to use social media. Call us on 21 469 42162.